Hello! Welcome to another tutorial with me. Today we're gonna learn how to make a plant hanger. I decided to make another 3 ways to make a plant hanger and you get to decide which one you want. So today this is the first part of a 3-video tutorial. So this is like the bohemian style plant hanger. For those of you who live in the United States, you can find the materials for this tutorial on my Etsy shop. Just check the link in the description of this video and go to my shop. For those of you who do not live in the United States, I'm going to tell you what kind of rope I use so that hopefully you can find it somewhere else and do this project with me. The plant hanger kit comes with the materials to make 1 plant hanger, so if you want more, then you might need more kits. Just so you know. You guys, you gotta bear with me because I know you can't tell already. I am not a native English speaker, so it is hard for me to be here speaking in this language. It is hard. The rope that I use is 100% cotton, 5 millimeters thickness, and 3 PLY, which means twisted rope, or it is like 3 strings twisted together. That's what I use. So you can find it like 5 millimeters twisted cotton rope. The kit comes with the rope, an S hook, and the wooden ring, right? Besides that, it's gonna be scissors. I like to use fabric scissors because they are a lot sharper. And we're gonna need a rack or somewhere where you can work comfortably to start knotting. That's it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is to cut our ropes. We're gonna need 3 ropes of 6 feet long each. And we're gonna need 30 ropes of, I forgot. 30 ropes of about 15 inches each. Alright, so using the wooden ring that comes with the kit, we're gonna use this 3 ropes. We're gonna make sure we have them all in the same place, and then we're gonna pull them inside the wooden ring. We're gonna make sure they're even at the bottom, so they're folded in half, right? And then let me show you this closer. Okay, so we're gonna start by pulling the ropes throughout the ring and making sure they get folded in half. So if the total length of the rope is 6 feet, there should be 3 feet on this side and 3 feet on the other. We have 3 ropes, so when we get them together, when we wrap them all together, they're gonna be 6 in total, right? So the first knot we're gonna make is called the loop knot. With the thinner rope, you're gonna hold it with your finger vertically. Use this finger to hold it, and then you're gonna go up again, forming like an U. And then you're gonna use this rope to start wrapping your other ropes around. Now we're gonna go around as many times as we want, depending on how thick we want our knot to be. I usually like it thick, so I do around like 10 rounds, something like that. I think this looks fine. And then we're gonna use the end of the rope and pull it through this loop. And while holding here, I'm gonna pull this one up. Now I'm gonna cut. Oops. Gonna cut here, and then I'm gonna cut here. Alright, and we have our loop knot. Might need to fix it a little bit. Make sure it looks good. Alright. Now, leaving a space of about 15 or 16 feet from top to bottom, we're gonna start by dividing the ropes into 3 groups of 2, and we're gonna just create a simple knot like this. Right? And we're gonna do that with all the groups, and let's make sure all the knots stay on the same height, whatever. Okay. Now, leaving a space of about 5 inches from the previous knot, we're gonna tie another knot with the inner ropes from 2 groups, right? Forming like a V. And we're gonna do that with the next group too. Let's make sure they all stay in the same level. And the last one. Oops. Okay. Okay, now leaving around 5 feet again from the previous knot, we're gonna start another wrap knot to wrap it all up. Alright, now we're gonna cut the excess rope, making all the ropes be evenly cut at the end, and we're gonna untwist all the ends so it's gonna look nicer. Okay, now we're gonna come back to this part of the plain hanger, and we're gonna use our shorter ropes to create large head knots around these ropes over here, right? We're gonna use 5 on each side, so that's for a total of 30. And this is how we're gonna do it. So this is the short rope. I have it folded in half, and then I'm gonna use this little loop and I will go from the front and then taking this inside. And that is the first one, and we're gonna do that with all of the ropes, right? So front and inside. All right, here it is. So we got 5 ropes. Okay, we have them all, and now there comes the part where we're gonna work the most on this plain hanger. But believe me, it looks way better if you untwist all the ropes instead of leaving them just like this. Let's start. Okay, we're almost there. All right. It's all done. Let's see it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please don't forget to do that. That's really important to me. Bye! Speaking a different language is hard, guys. Especially in front of a camera. I am better when I speak to my husband, I promise. At least I think I do. I don't know. Ask him. Gosh, this is so hard. One more time. One more time. And I don't know. You know what? I think we got it. I think we got another whatever. Forgot the word, as always. I think we got it.